Welcome. In this quick and easy guide, you'll learn how to empty your spam folder in the Gmail app using the latest version step by step. Clearing out your spam regularly keeps your inbox tidy and makes sure nothing important gets buried among unwanted emails. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to clean up. When the app opens, you'll land right on your inbox where all your regular emails appear. Next, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap the menu icon. It looks like three horizontal lines stacked together. This will open a side panel showing all your mail categories, labels, and settings. Now, scroll down that list until you find the spam folder. It's usually located below all mail or trash, depending on how many labels you've set up. Tap on spam to open it. Inside this folder, you'll see all the emails Gmail automatically filtered out because they looked suspicious or similar to junk mail. Sometimes legitimate emails can end up here too, so take a quick glance to make sure nothing important is hiding in this list before you delete anything. Once you're ready to clear it all out, look toward the top of the screen and tap Empty Spam Now. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to permanently delete all messages in the spam folder. Go ahead and confirm. Gmail will then remove every message in that folder within seconds, leaving it completely clean. That's it. You've emptied your spam folder in the Gmail app. It's a simple but useful habit to keep your email space clutter-free and running smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, take a moment to like the video and share it with someone who might need a quick Gmail cleanup too. Thanks for watching.